Welcome to my new tutorial. Today I would like to show you the way from the E gates to the A, B and D gates. We start at the gate A42. When you think my channel is helpful for you, then subscribe please. This is the direction you are coming from when you arrive between gates 52-67. Go left. It doesn't take very long until the train arrives.
Please keep away from the door.
Go left. We'll see each other again after the border control. Go right. Go left. You will find the A gates on the left side and the B and D gates on the right side. Thank you for your support.